Hello everyone. Today's video about playing, having fun, experimenting different techniques. So I did these little paintings earlier, like 15 minutes ago, and I decided to make a video for you. So these are just some fun experiments and playing with your supplies. If you guys want real tutorials, check out my Patreon. These are my newest Patreon exclusives, and this pumpkin patch, the vintage wagon, and this pretty landscape with cottage. The link for my Patreon below this video, and I really appreciate you guys for supporting me on Patreon and here on YouTube. Okay, let's have fun. I have this cute Turkish teacup or coffee cup. Isn't it gorgeous? I'm gonna use a rim of it. So I'm gonna start with painting a rim. So I have dark red, alizarin crimson. I'm gonna be using straight from the tube, very thick butter-like consistency, and applying around the rim. Okay, let's get some more. Painting all the way. All right, now I'm gonna find the approximate center and I'm gonna stamp and turn a little bit. I have that beautiful, perfect circle. Now with my wet brush, I'm gonna touch the edges and reactivate them. You see that beautiful flow? Now the paint follows my water. Okay, now I'm gonna wet down the center and drop more red and watch it bleed. And these exercises are so fun and relaxing, very experimental. Drop some orange, bright cadmium yellow, and comment below if you guys enjoy this kind of fun tutorials. And I'm gonna clean my brush and I'm gonna keep this lighter, just like so. Isn't it gorgeous? Sun, make it softer. And now I'm gonna use white gouache. So I showed you guys earlier my favorite gouache, but any gouache will work. And I will splatter some white. These really cool textures. Let's drop some more red, because it will dry lighter, so I want some more brighter color here. Orange. Oh yeah. And yellow. Okay, as I said, I'm gonna keep this bottom lighter. Okay, let's have fun. Now we're gonna play with credit card. I cut my credit card into a few different pieces, some larger, some smaller. This is really cool for some straight lines, like a horizon line. I'm gonna use this Moon Glow by Daniel Smith. Can squeeze it out of the tube right on my card. And we'll be creating the edges for the mountains. I'm gonna use just thick, consistent paint straight from the tube. I'm gonna be dragging card maybe one in the center. To the side, and another one. Scraping and just going down. So I'm gonna have some more pigment here in the center, and towards the edges it's gonna spread to white. I would like to leave some white, some more lights. Interesting. And now I will be reactivating them. And at the top, right at the tip, I want more, like it's a Mount Fuji. Okay, now let's have fun. I have my number 10 brush. I'm gonna wet it down. Just go and reactivate these edges. And just drag it down, create a dry brush stroke. Wiggling here, reactivating. And going down. Fun. Okay, the same here. And with dry strokes, I'm going down. And you see it getting, I'm keeping the bottom white. So at the edge, at the tip of the mountain, it's darker, and then it goes white. And just how quick it is and how cool it is, right? Now you can go back with your credit card and you can add another shade. For example, I have this lunar blue, and again I'm just gonna be scraping in that thick consistency. Oops, I got some paint on my hand. Okay. Comment below if you guys tried that technique. It's really cool and fun. Okay. You can go back with your wet brush again and reactivate. Now we have another shade of the beautiful blue by Daniel Smith. And you can add some strokes with your brush, or you can leave it as is. Let's see. Very simple, but very cool. Okay, I think I want some of the teal. And the lunar blue is more like a teal shade, and moon glow is more like purple. So let's a little bit with the teal on the top mountain and some dry strokes. And I would like to transfer some warmth into the bottom of my painting to balance it. I'll just soften this edge. So I'm gonna go with that orangey yellow color and give a couple of splatters and create texture and balance that warm color on the top. And maybe red. And you see how fun and super easy it is? We created this Asian looking art. And I would stop right here. I'm encouraging you guys to have fun, always play with your supplies, and comment below with any questions and with your thoughts if you enjoyed this tutorial. And don't forget to check out my Patreon. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you soon in my next video.